This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Steve.Summerlin. Fantastic rental in Ocean Lakes. Live minutes to Oceana/Dam Neck and a short drive to the ocean front. At entry, you'll love the open floor plan, wood floors and classic essential gray look of this 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. The kitchen offers white cabinetry, dark granite West/stainless appliances, and looks onto all areas of the family room and dining area. Enjoy the expansive fenced backyard, wooded West/plenty of green space and outdoor entertaining onto a patio and cobblestone pad. Upstairs are 3 spacious bedrooms and laundry. The primary bedroom has enough room for a king West/A tiled walk-in shower, dual shower heads and vanities. The 2 bedrooms, also large, share a Jack and Jill bath. Enjoy a double car, large garage, and 2 parking spots. Don't miss this 1,900+ square feet gem. Owner approval for any pets less than 65 pounds. Renters ins required. To apply, copy link https://townerealty.folio.com/listings/details/A16D26E6128-4A4B add 67 BDDD 38F3 to 7E. For more information, review the